Hello everyone. I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to install the propellers on the DJI Air 2S. And this is a fairly straightforward process, so it should be pretty easy, but I do know at first it can perhaps be a bit confusing, so hopefully this video might help you out. Now, with these packages that you get that have the propellers in them, you'll notice that one says A and the other says B, and these will go in different places on the drone. You can't just put them wherever you want, you need to put them in the right place. Thankfully, it's very easy to tell where the right place is. So if you look at these packages, the propellers look pretty much the same, except for one part, which is that on the A package, right around this little circle here in the middle where you connect the propellers to the drone, this one has an orange circle on it. And the B package, you'll notice, does not. It's just black. So the A's have an orange circle, the B's do not. So if you look at the drone, you'll notice that on this arm here, it's just black, whereas on the other arm, it has these orange points here. And so that helps you know where the propellers are supposed to go. The A's will go on this arm where the orange spots are, and the B's will go over here where the black spots are. So we'll go ahead and install those. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better what it looks like to install these onto the actual arms. So I've gone ahead and opened up the A propellers, and you can tell that these are the A propellers because you can see it has that orange line there around the hole. And that's going to go on this arm here that also has the corresponding orange marks on the arm. So on the bottom of the propeller, there's these little teeth, and all you have to do is fit those into the hole and turn them to the right. Now you're going to have to push down a little bit on the shaft, but it has a spring, so you'll feel it give a little bit. And you might need to hold the little part below there because it'll turn otherwise. So you push down while you're holding and turn to the right. Now you don't have to turn too hard, and you're not going to feel a click. That can be a little bit confusing. There's nothing in there that's going to click or make it really feel like it's locked in. But it is locked in, and it's locked because of that spring system that's in there. So you won't feel a click, you just have to push it down and turn to the right, and then that is going to lock it in place. Now it turns to the right on the A set. On the B set, as we'll see in just a second here, you're going to turn to the left. So on the A set, you turn to the right or clockwise, and then on the B set, you're going to turn counterclockwise. So let's go ahead and do a B set now. Okay, so now I have the B set of propellers out, and again you can tell that this is the B set because there is no orange marking, it's just black around the hole there. And just like before, there's these little teeth on there, and you're going to fit those right into the holes here on the drone arm. This time though, you're going to move the propellers to the left. Again, holding that bottom part so it doesn't turn with you, you'll move them to the left or counterclockwise, and that will lock them into place. As I said before, there will be no locking sound. You won't feel a click. It's just the spring mechanism that is going to hold those propellers in place. So I hope this has been helpful to you. It's really a very simple process. It doesn't need to be too confusing. But of course, if you have any questions or concerns, make sure that you look at the documentation that they send you with the drone, because that has the explanation that you need in there. But maybe this will help you out if you're a little bit confused at how you do it at first. So again, there's the A set, the B set, and we're ready to fly. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it was helpful, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.